So good morning, sir. Myself Anvay Nitin Gaidhani. I have completed my BE Computer Engineering from KKW Institute in 2023.
Okay.
My hobbies are I like playing cricket and listening music. My father is businessman and my mother is housewife.
Okay. So you have done your software testing, right?
Yes.
Okay, from Sabedor.
Yes.
So tell me, what is software testing?
So software testing is the process to find defects and improve software quality.
Okay. So what is then positive testing and negative testing?
Positive testing means when user will enter valid data as input, it will be called as positive testing.
Okay.
And when user will be entering invalid data as input, it is called as negative testing.
Okay. So which one is important, positive testing or negative testing?
Positive testing is important because if we enter valid credentials, so we will be able to log into our system.
And why negative testing is not important then? So negative testing is also important, right? Both are important.
Right.
You have to test software in positive way as well as in
Negative way.
way. Okay. So what is functional testing?
Functional testing means behavioral testing. Means here we check behavior of specific application.
Okay.
Its real life example I would like to give is Selenium testing. It is a functional automation tool and it is used in web applications.
Okay. So Anvay, tell me something about RTM. What is RTM?
RTM means Requirement Traceability Matrix. It's a document that maps and traces user requirements with test cases, and its main goal is that all test cases are covered so that no functionality should miss while doing software testing.
Okay. And then what is test plan?
Test plan is a detailed document that consists of test strategies, objectives, schedules, estimations, deadlines and resources required to complete that project.
Then what is the difference between test plan and test strategy?
Test strategy means all technical details are tested only, whereas in test plan overall testing is done like test strategies, objectives, methods, estimations.
So how to perform testing, particular testing, how many test cases, how to provide coverage, right? That is mentioned in test strategy.
Test strategy.
So what is monkey testing then?
Monkey testing is a type of random testing which is performed without any predefined test cases or test inputs, and it is done by testers.
So what is the difference between monkey testing and ad hoc testing then?
As compared to ad hoc testing, even if there are no predefined test cases or inputs, so monkey testing is able to understand the application, whereas if we come to monkey testing part, so it will be not able to understand the application. Ad hoc testing will be able to understand.
So both are random testing, right?
Yes.
So in monkey, tester may not have proper knowledge of your project, and in ad hoc testing, testers should have knowledge before testing. Okay. So what is system testing?
System testing is a type of functional and non-functional testing. So functional testing means we test functionality of system as per requirement document like BRD, FRD and SRS, and non-functional testing means we check performance of system.
Okay. Then what is UAT testing?
UAT testing is type of testing where client will ensure that system is working as per approved documents.
Okay. Okay. So have you heard about regression testing?
Yes. So regression testing is a type of system testing. It means that whenever there is any new functionality added in our existing working software or some configuration changes are made, so we create a suite of test case which is known as regression test suite, and it will be executed as per required.
Okay. So have you heard about V model? What are the benefits of V model?
Yes, so benefits of V model are faults are prevented and it stops fault multiplication. It avoids downward flow of defect, then lower defect resolution cost due to earlier detection, improved quality and reliability, improved risk management, reduction in amount of rework, and here verification and validation is carried out at each level of stage. It also allows testers to be active early in project life cycle, and it develops critical knowledge about system.
So have you heard about entry criteria and exit criteria?
Yes. So entry criteria refers to the input conditions required from previous process to support specific stage, whereas exit criteria refers to the output conditions required from specific processes to determine its thoroughness and correct completion.
Okay. So Anyway, what are the drawbacks of waterfall model?
Drawbacks of waterfall modeler means
Hmm.
yeah, it will be executed only in step by step way, but it cannot be executed randomly.
Okay. Any more drawbacks, you know?
No.
No. Okay. So now coming to Java part, you are done Selenium using Java, right?
Yes.
So tell me some features of Java.
Okay, so it is used in web app. Its features are it is used in web applications. In Android application, we can use it.
Hmm.
Then it is a secure program. It is a high performance language, and Oracle company currently owns this language.
Okay.
And it is a high level object oriented programming language.
So what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM?
So basically JDK is used to develop our Java program,
Okay.
whereas JRE is used to run our Java program, and JVM consists of platforms like Windows, Mac and Linux.
Mm-hmm.
So
JVM is Java virtual
Java
machine.
virtual machine.
So it is a compiler or interpreter?
It is interpreter.
Okay. So tell me some pillars of Java.
Okay, pillars of Java means 4 pillars are there. Abstraction is there, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. These are main pillars.
So how to implement encapsulation? Any example?
By Java Beans concept, we can implement encapsulation.
So what is Java Bean?
It is a method in Java. Java Beans is basically method used in Java to
Java
implement.
Bean is a Java class.
Java
It's
Bean is a Java
right?
class.
So it should follow some rules.
Rules.
Okay. So now tell me something about parameterized constructor.
So constructor with at least one parameter is known as parameterized constructor. In this we can initialize each instance to different values.
Okay. So can you write more than one constructor in Java, and what is the name of this concept?
More than one constructor in Java. It is known as means parameterized constructor means more than one constructor in Java. We can write default constructor, copy constructor is
So you
there.
can write more than one constructor.
One constructor, yes.
So this concept is called as
Parameterized constructor.
constructor overloading.
No, but it is
More than one
more
constructor
with different parameters. Yes.
So now tell me something about inheritance. What are the benefits of inheritance?
Okay, so creating new classes from existing classes is known as inheritance. In this, one can use features and functionality of its parent class. Its benefits are code reduce and code reuse.
Okay. So types of inheritance in Java.
2 types of inheritance are there in Java.
Two types?
2 types of inheritance. First is single inheritance. It means one parent and one child class. And hierarchical inheritance means one parent class is having more than one child classes.
What is multi-level inheritance? Have you heard about multiple inheritance? Is it supported in Java?
No. Firstly, I will tell about multiple inheritance. So more than one parent class to a single child class is known as multiple inheritance.
Okay.
It is not supported because if all parent classes are having methods implemented and if we call these methods from child classes, then it creates ambiguity to compiler.
Okay.
That's why it is not supported in Java.
Okay. So what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
Method overloading means same method name but different parameters, whereas method overriding means one form of method is present in parent class and another form of method present in child class, and parent class form is getting modified in child class as per child class requirements.
Okay.
And at compile time here, compiler is not aware which overloaded method it has to call. It will be decided at runtime.
Which annotation you have used? Override?
Yes, @override I have used.
Okay. So give me one real life example of polymorphism.
Real life example of polymorphism means of a person I would like to give John, so he will have different behavior at school, home, company. Example of object I would like to give our mobile phone, it will have camera function. We are also able to call by it, we can listen music. Then example of method I would like to give addition method.
Okay. So what is the use of final keyword in Java?
It is used to stop inheritance feature of class, and that means.
So this concept, which concept?
It is final class.
The final class.
Final
okay.
class.
Next.
We cannot create child classes of final class.
Okay.
So basically, final keyword is used to create for constant to create final class and to create final method.
Okay.
And final class is a final method which cannot extend in another child class.
Okay. So what is abstract class?
So abstract, we can create abstract class by using abstract keyword. It is having abstract and non-abstract methods, that is method without body and concrete methods. We cannot create objects of abstract class. Then abstract class must be inherited. Its features and functionality can be implemented by its child classes. And finally, it provides guidelines for developers.
Okay. So what is the use of this keyword in Java?
So basically what happens is when instance variable name or constructor or method name are same, so in that case it creates ambiguity to compiler. So we should always use this keyword before instance variable name.
Okay. So what is the use of throw keyword then?
Throw keyword is used during user defined exceptions.
To create a
user defined exception
or custom exception.
or custom exceptions.
Okay. So tell me something about your user defined exceptions.
So user defined exceptions means here we throw our own exceptions, and we should use arithmetic exceptions during user defined exceptions.
Okay. So what is interface?
So interface is a contract that class must implement. Then interface is having abstract methods, that is method without body and constants. Here class must implement interface, that is abstract methods of interface must be implemented in any class. Interface is created by using keyword interface, and here we have to create variables of interface.
Okay.
And there are two types: user defined interface and built-in interfaces.
Okay. So what are different types of variables in Java that you know?
Different types of variables in Java.
Local variables.
Yes, local variables are there and global variables are there. Two types of variable, local and
types.
global.
What is instance variable? What is static variable in Java? Okay. So what are different access modifiers in Java?
Three access modifiers are there: public, private and protected.
Okay.
So public means data members and member functions will be accessible within same class or outside a class or program. Protected means data members and member functions will be accessible within same class or child classes and same package non-subclass. And private means data members and member functions will be accessible only within same class in which they are declared.
So private members cannot be accessible in child classes. Is it true or false?
Private members can false, because it will be accessible only in that.
Child members. So private members of one class cannot be accessible in another class. Is it true or false? It is true, right?
Yes, true.
We cannot access
We cannot
members in
access.
child classes.
Yes.
Okay. So what is multi-threading?
So multi-threading is a powerful concept that allows program to perform multiple tasks concurrently within a single process.
Okay, concurrently. So
Concurrently.
what are the benefits of multi-threaded program?
Multiple means it can perform multiple tasks, so execution will be faster in it.
So maximum utilization.
Maximum utilization.
Okay. So in Java, have you heard about collection framework? What
Yes.
is collection framework?
So collection framework of Java is having interfaces and classes which is used to manipulate group of objects. This framework is provided in java.util package.
Okay. So what are different interfaces and classes are present in this framework?
Basically here two lists are present in this, array list class and linked list class are present here.
Array list and
Array list
only
and
array list and linked list are there. So tell me some important interfaces of collection framework.
Important interfaces.
Okay. So what is the difference between array and array list?
Array and array list. Means array can implement only a single element at a time.
Single element?
Means variable will hold one element, but when we want to process more data, we need more variable. Sorry, so at that time it will implement more element.
Okay.
And array list will implement less element.
No. Array list is a dynamic representation of array. Arrays are static in nature. Array lists are
Dynamic in nature.
We can add number of elements.
So
tell me some common methods of collection framework.
So add element is there, add method is there, which is used to add data in our array list and linked list. Then add new element with index. So here we add new element with index. Then remove method is there. In this we can remove any name, remove any data by its name or by its index. Then index of method is there, means it gives index of object and it will return object of list which is present at specified position. Then get first and get last method is there, means get first method gives element at first position and get last method gives element at last position.
Okay, so tell me something about set interface.
So
can we add duplicate elements inside set?
No, duplicate elements are not allowed in set interface.
Okay.
And it has two concepts. A hash set is there and tree set is there.
Okay,
so
what is the difference between hash set and tree set then?
Hash set maintains specific order, like ascending or descending, but tree set is similar to hash set, but it does not maintain any specific order.
Okay. So if we talk about array list, then how to sort array list elements in ascending and descending order?
The dot sort method is there. By that method we can sort element in ascending or descending order.
Which sort method? Okay. Collections dot sort?
Yes, collection dot sort.
Now I will move to automation testing.
Okay.
So in automation testing you have done your Selenium using Java.
Yes.
Also Selenium using C#.
C#.
Okay. So what is Selenium and what are different components of Selenium?
So Selenium is a functional automation testing tool. It is used in functionality testing, security testing, regression testing and GUI testing. It will only automate web application. It is an interface. And its components, there are 4 type of components like Selenium RC, Selenium IDE, Selenium Grid and Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium IDE consists of record and playback tool which is used to record all our actions during testing process. In Selenium RC, hacking problem is resolved. Selenium Grid is a type of Selenium suite that allows you to run tests on multiple machines and browsers. And Selenium WebDriver is an API. It has classes and interfaces.
Okay. So have you heard about same origin policy in Selenium?
Yes.
What is same origin policy?
So same origin policy is the security mechanism implemented by web browsers that restricts how web page loaded from one origin interact with resources from different origin.
Okay, means it's a security measure.
It's a security mechanism.
Okay. Okay. So what are different locators you know in Selenium?
There are types of locators are there, like ID locator, name locator, class locators, link locator, partial link locator, XPath, CSS locators and DOM locators.
Okay. What is XPath locator?
So XPath locator, it is a powerful locators. And
types of XPath?
Absolute XPath and relative XPath.
Then what is the difference between these two?
So firstly, absolute XPath starts with single slash. It locates element from root element. In these expressions are larger, and if position of HTML element changes, then we have to rewrite expression here. Whereas in case of relative XPath, it will locate element directly here expressions will be smaller, and if position of HTML element change, then we need to rewrite, no need to rewrite expression here.
Okay. So suppose I want to locate a link name is Sabador.
Okay.
And you have to write its X path.
Okay.
Relative X path. Then tell me the relative X path for this link.
Means first it it will be use link text method, because you want to get the link of that.
Okay.
Web element, then Sabador, for that we have tried. So web element Sabador is equal to driver dot find element by link text, and in that we will mention the link of that from
so
Cropper.
by link text means link locator, you will locate it. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the difference between find element and find elements method?
So find element method is used when we want to locate single element at a time, and find elements method is used when we want to locate more than one element at a time.
So what is the return type of find elements method, and what is the return type of find element method?
So return type of find element method is web element, and return type of find elements method is list.
Okay, means collection. Okay. So have you handled any alert of JavaScript in Selenium?
Yes.
Alert?
By using alert, which is an interface, and it has by its two methods like accept and dismiss. So accept method we will use when we want to click on OK button, and dismiss method will be used when we want to click on cancel button.
Okay. Very good. So tell me some predefined methods of by class in Selenium.
Predefined methods of by class. Okay, by name, by method, by name, by XPath, by CSS selector, then
okay. What is Maven?
Maven is built automation tool whose purpose is to automatically download required jar files whose version is provided in pom.xml files. It is used by both developers and testers.
Okay. So what is TestNG basically?
TestNG is testing framework inspired by JUnit and NUnit.
Okay.
Here NG means next generation. It is having assertion class for comparing actual and expected result. It is also having different annotations, and each annotation is having specific meaning, means @test. So method under this annotation is a test case. Annotations will be denoted by symbol, and it is an open source automated testing framework.
So why we have to use TestNG? We have already Selenium WebDriver, right? So
but because TestNG is having advantage, like it will give us reports, means in this we can check what is the fault or what is not the fault, whereas Selenium WebDriver is having drawback, that is it will not able to generate report. So TestNG is more better.
Okay. So how to handle drop down in Selenium then?
By three methods are there: by value, by index, and by visible text.
Okay. So have you read any Excel file in Selenium?
Yes. By POI API concept, we will be able to read Excel files.
Okay, POI API.
POI API.
So what are different classes and interfaces of POI API?
So basically, there are two types of Excel files are there basically in it, like old Excel file and new Excel file. So HSSSF workbook class, it will handle our old Excel file, and XSSSF workbook class will handle our new Excel file.
Okay. Okay, and what are different interfaces? These are the classes, right?
These are the classes.
What are different interfaces? Important interfaces. Workbook is one interface.
Workbook is an interface, yes.
Next. Sheet is one interface.
Okay.
Row,
Sheet is one interface. Row, cell.
Okay. What is page object model?
Page object model is a design pattern. In this we can add locators. To avoid repetition of locators, we can use this approach, and we can create object repository for storing all web elements.
Okay. So what are the benefits of page object model?
Okay.
Okay. So it will reduce our repeated code, right?
Repeated code, yes.
Okay. What is Page Factory then?
Page Factory is provided by Selenium WebDriver to support page object design patterns. It is a technique to implement page object model, and it is denoted by annotation @find by.
Okay. So tell me something about Selenium using C#. Which tool you have used?
NUnit tool.
NUnit.
NUnit
Okay.
tool.
What are different annotation of NUnit tool?
Different annotations means @before method is there, @after method is there, @test is there.
I'm talking about NUnit.
NUnit tool basically it is used for Selenium test.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to the database part.
Okay.
So which database you are studying?
SQL.
SQL Server.
SQL Server, yes.
Okay. And MySQL.
MySQL.
Okay. So what is RDBMS?
RDBMS means it is Relational Database Management System. In this we store data in rows and columns. Its examples are MySQL, SQL Server, and Oracle database.
Okay. So this is RDBMS.
RDBMS.
Okay. Now what is primary key and foreign key?
Primary key is a column that uniquely identifies each record in table. It ensures that no two rows have same value in primary key column and that value cannot be null. Whereas foreign key is a column in one table that establish relationship with primary key in another table. It basically links two tables by referencing primary key column in another table.
Okay. So what are different DML queries and DDL queries you know?
DML queries are insert, update and delete query, and DDL queries are create, alter, drop and truncate.
So then what is the difference between these DML and DDL?
The difference is that in case of DML, firstly it stands for data manipulation language. In this we work on data. We do not modify structure of our data. Whereas when we come to DDL part, these commands are auto committed and they save all changes permanently in our database, and they basically work on structure of data. Means here we are able to create table or add column in table.
Okay. So what is the use of alter query?
Alter query is used to add new column in our table.
Only to add new column?
No, we can delete also column.
Delete?
Means remove column
Modify.
from our table or modify our column.
Okay. So what are different joins in SQL?
There are 4 types of join: inner join, left join, right join and full outer join. So inner join means it will return only those rows that are matching values in both tables.
Okay.
Left join will return all the rows from left table as well as matching rows from right table. Right join will return all the rows from right table and matching rows from left table. And full outer join will return all the rows from both the tables when there is a match, even if either there is a match in left or right table.
So when to use group by clause? What is group by clause basically?
Group by it allows us to arrange our rows of queries into groups, and its main purpose is that we are able to work with data aggregations, working on that together with SQL aggregate functions. And when we need a data of particular item or content in group, means total count of that data, so that time we can use group by clause.
Okay. And what is the use of order by clause?
Order by clause gives us data either in ascending or descending order.
Okay. So Anvay, tell me something about Postman.
Okay, so Postman is the API testing tool which is used to test and develop API. In Postman we check status code verification.
What are different status code of Postman? Can you just explain me? 200 is there.
200 is there, 201 is there, 400 is also there.
Okay, 200. What is 201?
Means when we check whether our entered request is positive or negative. So for positive we will get 201, and
successful submission.
yes, and 200 also gives us successful, but for when it is unsuccessful, so it will give 400.
Okay, so what is collections in Postman?
Collection, it is a group of saved requests like get request, put, post and delete requests,
Okay.
which is organized serially.
And what is variables in Postman?
Postman variables are used to store data in key and value pairs.
Okay. So now 100% automation is not possible. Is it true or false?
It is true, because all the things we cannot automate. Some things we have to test manually only.
Example?
Example means like suppose any captcha related error is there, so we have to check manually by entering that captcha. Manually it will not enter that, but other thing like password is there, username is there, so that is possible by using Selenium automation.
Okay.
By using CrowPath we can automate it.
Okay. So have you done any security testing?
Security testing, no.
Authentication, authorization.
Authentication means our valid credentials are there, and
Okay.
authorization means right for particular users.
Okay, very good. So thank you, Anvay. I wish you all the best for the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.